will cheer for Azul. Come on, girls, let me hear you cheer. Go Azul! Go Azul! Now, are you ready for the basketball game? Now, birds ready, trainers ready, set, go! Let's go, Blue, let's go, Azul. So, first ball for Blue. Followed by Azul, and another ball for Blue and Azul, and last ball, Blue wins this game. So, trainer Jehan, you lost this game. What can you say?
We want another race.
She wants another race.
So what race do you have in mind?
I suggest a ring race. So the mechanics of this game, the first bird will drop all 3 rings to the pole the fastest is the winner. That is a ring race.
So a ring race is Shelbina. Remember, boys already got 1 point, so let's cheer louder for Azul to win this time. Now, are you ready for the second game? Now, birds ready, trainers ready, set, go! Let's go, Blue, let's go, Azul! Okay, first ring for Blue, let's go, Azul! Another ring for Blue, and hey, what's this? Azul gets 3 rings at the same time. What a clever technique from the girls. So, trainer Vince, did you see that? 3 rings at the same time. What can you say?
Hey, you guys cheated.
Did you guys really cheat?
No, we didn't cheat. Azul just used her brain.
Wow, so how about a round of applause for Blue and Azul? So hello ma'am, good afternoon. So I want you to stand here and face the table. Face it. And extend your left arm like this. Now be inserting the money. So now let's go in red, Goldie, and Bandit. Now that right there is Bandit. Now let's start. So up first on your right with trainer Jehan is our green called Bandit. So his body is covered with red plumage. His wings and tail feathers are green and blue. So this macaw has a white naked face striped with small red feathers. So its scientific name is Arachlorotirus. Now Bandit, say hi to everyone. Hi! Other side lang kung Bandit, hi! Now up next with trainer Vince is our blue and gold macaw, Goldie. Now blue and gold macaws have a beautiful shade of blue on its back and a solid shade of yellow on its inner wings and belly. So its eyes and beak are solid black. So its scientific name is Ararauna. Now here in Cebu Park, we have 3 blue and gold macaws. So we have Goldie up there and said blue and azul earlier in the basketball game. So later, nice segment
Kuya,
si Goldie.
don't touch
So
her.
kung si
She'll come
Bandit
here.
mo high, si Goldie mo flex iyang wings. Wait lang daw.
Wow, look at
Flex your wings,
that.
Goldie. There you go. Now, lastly with me is our Eclectus parrot red. Now, Eclectus parrots are very unusual in the parrot family. That is because of their extreme sexual dimorphism, meaning you can easily distinguish between a male and a female Eclectus parrot. Now, red right here is a female parrot because of its bright red colored feathers, while male Eclectus parrots have a bright green colored feathers. So basically, red means female and green means male. Now, Eclectus its parrots can live up to 30 years old, while our macaws Goldie and Bandit, they can live up to 60 to 70 years old. Now lastly, did you know that parrots are monogamous? Meaning they only have one partner their entire lifetime. And so that is it for different kinds of parrots here in Cebu Ocean Park. We have our Eclectus parrot red, our blue and gold macaw Goldie, and our green-winged macaw Bandit. Now, parrots in particular known to be intelligent and perceptive. That is why we continue to enhance their skills so that they won't get bored. Now let's go Bandit once again, and it's going to show us how to put the shapes back to their correct slots. Let's go Bandit! Now even though this is a learned behavior, Bandit has to get the shapes back to their correct slots. And that is possible with his perception, memory, and intelligence. So in the wild, he uses this skill to find food, shelter, and a good place to nest. Now let's shape Bandit. And there you go, intelligent, right? How about a round of applause for Bandit? Along the edges of subtropical and tropical rainforests. Now they are primarily white with black beaks, with a distinctive silver yellow crest, so this is their crest, and a yellowish underside wings. So its scientific name is Ocea galarita. Now up next with trainer Vince is our umbrella cockatoo Mitchell, also known as the white cockatoo or the great white-breasted cockatoo. So these birds are distinguishable because of their woolly white crest, which raises up like an umbrella. So kanang crest ni Nigel, kumusakan na, murado siya umbrella ang puna. So its scientific name is Cockatoo alba. Now if we were to compare Tweety right here and Nigel up there, so obviously Tweety has a yellow crest, while Nigel has a pure white plumage. Now lastly up there with trainer Gemma is our Moluccan Cockatoo Snow, also known as the salmon-crested cockatoo because of their pinkish white colored feathers. So these endemic birds can be found in the Sarang Archipelago of eastern Indonesia, and they are classified as the largest. So its scientific name is Cockatoo molescensis. So in general, cockatoos mainly use their crest as a form of communication and indication of their mood, whether they're happy, threatened, or when in mating. Now, cockatoos can be loud and can mimic any sound. That is what we call a mimicry behavior. So, sila na yung mga birds na makasturya. Now, lastly, for their lifespan, Tweety right here and Nigel right there, they can live up to 40 years old. While our Moluccan cockatoo Snow and trainer Jehan can live up to 70 years old. And that is it for different kinds of cockatoos. Here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have our silver-crested cockatoo Tweety, our Moluccan cockatoo Snow, and our umbrella cockatoo Nigel. Mga batang alam, now our next featured bird will leave you baffled and amazed even So before we call in our bird, I'll be asking two numbers between 1 to 20. So first number, what's the one number? 15. So second number, 3. Now our equation is 15 plus 3. So we all know the answer, right? But before we call in our math wizard, I'll be shuffling these numbers first. So now the numbers have been shuffled. Now let's call in our math wizard, Snow. Now once again, Snow is our Mulukan Bamatu. So ataga sa natong time si Snow para mag-study. So Snow, your equation is 15 plus 3. Walang tao nato kung mag-study sila Snow kagabi eh. Okay, is Snow ready? Okay, Snow, solve the equation for us. Okay, Snow picks up number 1. So is the first number correct? I'm not even sure. Is the first number correct? Yes, now Snow. So second number, Snow. And there you go. So 15 plus 3 is 18. So how about a round of applause for our math wizard, Snow?
Yeah, nice.
So they are called birds of prey, or also known as raptors. Now raptor meaning to seize or to take by force. So they use their strong talons by seizing or impaling their prey. Now there are 446 types of raptors, but here in Cebu Ocean Park we have 2. So we have our Brahminic kite and our Philippine serpent eagle. So now before we call in our raptors, I would like to ask everyone to please settle down, especially the kids, and no one shall pass the center stairs. So for the meantime, please stay clear of the center stairs. And if our birds fly over you, please do not try to reach or grab the feathers of our birds. Now once again, please stay clear of the center aisle. So move up a little bit. And there we go for our Brahminic kite, scientifically known as Haliastor indus. These lawins can be found in the Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, and Australia, where they are known as sea eagles. In the Philippines, they are known as Banog or lawins in the Visayan region. So sit down sa ate. Ate, sit down please. Now, Brahminic kites are delicate and petite than eagles. That is because they prey on smaller animals such as fish and insects. So kung familiar mo niya bird, muna siya ang bird na nasa show ni Kuya Kim na matang lawin. Now, as you've noticed, our trainers are using a glove. That is what we call a falconry gauntlet. That is protect them from their sharp beaks and talons. And that is it for our Brahminic kite kingdom. Now up next is our Philippine serpent eagle. Ready. And there we go for our Philippine serpent eagle. Ready. Scientifically known as Pilornis huluspilos. This endemic eagle can be found in the major islands of the Philippines. So mostly found in open woodlands and forests. The Philippine serpent eagle can be distinguished from other species of serpent eagle by more well-defined spots on their underparts and wings. Now, Philippine eagle and Philippine serpent eagle are two different birds. Now, so si Freddy right there is our Philippine serpent eagle, while ang Philippine eagle is 3 times larger than